Alright, so today I'm playing Ultimate Chicken Horse with a couple friends. Two of us have barely played before, so get ready to see us be idiots. Enjoy.
It's CAKX. Dang it! It's so close to
C-A-
sex. No, CE. No,
C-E.
oops. SEKX.
S-E-K.
SEKX.
Okay, you
So
said
close
C.
to
You
sex.
said you did. Those were not the
Yeah,
letters you
I
said.
just heard four different codes.
Yeah.
What was it?
Yeah. SEKX.
Sex,
Okay.
but with a K.
Sex, basically. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, almost. We almost got sex. Sex K. We almost got the sex K resolution.
Okay, let's go old mansion.
Yeah, there's something here. Hold on.
It's way up there. We can use the elevator to get up to it. It's fine. There we go.
More items, please. What?
I don't know.
Yeah, there's not really much you can do with that.
Hi.
It was horse race day outfit. Interesting.
I'm first.
Well, that doesn't get you points.
Jeez, no points. Oh, dang it.
Oh shit.
Yeah, let's start with madness.
Okay, wait. Whoa.
It had to be
That's
done.
possible. That's possible. Don't worry.
Just go from the right side, bro. It's like
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just jump to the other side. That's it. Fuck, almost.
oh wow, nice elevator.
The sheep sounds so sassy. Like,
No!
Alright, who's gonna take the leap of faith?
I made
you
it.
got it.
Oh,
Oh,
too
okay.
easy.
yeah,
Should've
too
made it lower.
easy.
Yeah, come on, guys. Oh my god.
All right, this finish line is over.
This finish
Yeah.
line is gone.
Put it on the right side, dude.
It's over. It's over.
It's the end of the game.
Yeah, it's over.
Whoopa.
Whoa. No!
Oh, well, you did that to yourself.
Wah, wah. No. Fuck.
I made it.
No way, dude. What is this? It's bullshit.
Yeah.
I'm just great. I'm
Nah.
That honestly, that's the entire reason I put the fan there. Not lying. I thought that I could do that.
All right, so we're just gonna like do that.
Who wants to press the
Who needs-
elevator button?
Who needs elevators anyways?
Yeah.
Like, come on, I'm not disabled.
Ah!
I've been playing a lot of Silksong. This should come easy to me.
No.
Fuck.
I should be probably playing more of that.
Do you have Silksong?
No.
Oh.
It's on Game Pass.
I want to play the original first. I haven't even played the original.
Oh,
so-
definitely play Hollow Knight before you play Silksong.
What's going on with this fan?
Hollow Knight's also a lot easier than Silksong. They really upped the difficulty with Silksong. I cannot make this goddamn jump. Finally. Goddamn.
All right, well, you go first.
Will do. Fuck.
Happened the same. We're in a platform. Thank you. No, the flower. Now, put the flower on top of the. Well, yeah, it's.
I'm not listening to you.
Oh.
Oh, fuck. I jumped. Oh my god, I'm stupid.
Oh my god, this flower, bro. Oh my god. Of course.
No,
I got this.
That's exactly what I was gonna. Okay, well, you fucked it up.
That definitely is possible though.
Oh, 100%
Yeah,
it is. That was what
I just fucked it up.
I noticed last round. I was like, ooh, that's something I can do.
Oh, the bomb. Nice.
Yeah, let's
mean,
make
this
this
is-
tight as fuck. Why not?
That's what she said.
Uh. god. My own traffic light killed me. My own traffic light.
No, it's so hard.
Maybe it's not possible.
It definitely is.
Maybe it is. Yeah, there we
Oh,
go. It's just a high jump. Okay.
You killed each
Pretty sure
other.
pretty sure I trapped myself earlier though.
Fuck. Well, I know where that black hole's going.
Yep.
That's not where I thought it was going.
What? What just happened?
Oh, okay. Look at the hurt me gentle difficulty this Slarium has.
What?
D1.
Oh, so close.
All right, now's the
Don't let
comeback.
him-
Watch this. All right, now we
No comeback,
mess
yeah.
it all up.
How are we gonna get past this thing?
Dude, we can't let him win, bro. Oh,
Oh,
oh, he's a jetpack.
No!
Oh yes. Perfect.
okay. No, I thought.
Come on.
I have an idea.
Oh shit. Yeah, try landing on this, bro.
Waiting.
Fuck. Oof.
Oh my. Awesome.
Jesus. No, we're not doing this.
I mean, I'm gonna win. Is what's
Yeah.
gonna happen.
Some H.
And we'll see about that. Realistic.
Wait a minute. No, 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 no. I
Well,
see
what
the
would
cheat.
be
I see a
most-
cheat. I see a cheat. I see a cheat.
What?
I see
Tell
the
me.
cheat. Oh, you see a black hole? Sort. Looks what's gonna happen.
What?
The black hole at the start. Look what's gonna happen.
No. Fuck.
Oh.
Oh no, the
it's
arrow!
you.
I was standing still and I died. No. I did nothing and I died.
Game just punished you for doing nothing.
I was just trying to aura farm and I still died.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shit.
I mean, this. Whatever.
Okay, now no arrows are gonna fuck us up.
Okay, great.
No, no! Oh fuck! I went a little too far there.
This could be it.
Oh,
God
fuck
damn it.
I told you, come back.
There's no underdog, dog. Drug.
No, but because you were both the underdogs, so I don't think they put it on. Fuck.
Put it on the
Hey, Cody,
spikes. Put it on the spikes.
You want this,
Put it on
don't
the
you?
spikes.
You want
You love
the
jetpacks, don't you?
You want the jetpack.
you
The jetpack.
you love jetpacks, don't you?
Hmm.
That's really hard to like pass through.
Yeah, how are you even gonna make it there? Alright, let's see it happen.
Oh fuck. I
Oh, shit,
planned
we're cooked.
that. Now's your chance.
To be a big shot?
Or just stand still and get punched.
I didn't realize it punched the other way. Damn.
Oh fuck.
Hell yeah.
Have we done this one?
No.
Oh, definitely not.
Oh,
You
What does
are
the
you the
clock
monkey?
do?
It slows time down.
Yeah, I'm the monkey.
No, he did the oh sound, so I was asking if he was the monkey.
Oh.
a friend just sent me the fucking dumbest fucking video on Steam. Like, who fucking sends video through Steam? That's great. We love you, Cabot.
Oh, you can climb these.
Yeah.
Mainframe.
nature.
Ooh, that'll be fun.
I thought I was gonna fall.
If you fell, that would have given us points.
No.
Come on, guys, make it harder. What the fuck's wrong with you? Okay, well, we both got that.
Yeah. Let's just block the whole thing, honestly.
Yeah. Yeah. Why not?
This is my nature, bro.
Whoa! Oh,
I got him.
are you fucking kidding me?
What?
3 points. 3 points.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Yeah.
3 points.
After what happened last game.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh,
It's our
look at them.
God damn it.
I felt so wrong almost saying the sentence.
What if I just put it on like where we start? Oh no, you can't.
You can, but there's no point to it. It's not gonna do anything.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah, it was
Go.
easy.
Monkey see, monkey do.
Monkey banana.
Monkey cream all over you.
Ugh.
Whoa, what's a raccoon doing? Aw.
Finally, a way to make things difficult. You should have acted faster. Don't be a baby. You needed. Sorry, my brain is fucking fried right now. I'm not jumping into
Uh-oh.
that.
Yeah, that's not a good idea.
Uh,
Almost got crushed. Please. Oh my gosh.
Die in this now. Crush. Oh shit.
Oh
Yes!
god. No way.
monkey
I was gonna
dead.
give him trap points. No. Hell yeah. Oh.
What the fuck?
No one's
happened?
getting points this time, bro. I almost got crushed to death.
Ah,
Okay.
I'm on the
awesome,
wrong side.
awesome.
I'm on the wrong side. Ooh.
Yeah, you're gonna have to go from that way now.
Nice. 1 pixel tap. Gotta love those.
Oh, underdog
You're-
points though.
Yeah, if you would win.
I will, dude. Don't worry. 100%.
Well, I guess
Hell
if you're
yeah.
doing that, then I don't need to do what I was doing.
Yeah. I mean, no, but you can. I feel like that. I don't know.
No,
Doesn't
no.
matter.
No.
Not, that's
No.
It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work anyways. Bro. Where's this hockey puck at?
It's right there.
Oh my gosh. Oh, headshot.
Oh, come on. Oh shit.
Yes!
Oh, come on.
Oh my god. No way.
Yes!
That's unlucky.
Ooh. So close. One
Let's make this
win,
impossible.
and I win.
Let's make this thing impossible.
Just goes back and forth.
Yeah. See, you don't want to make things impossible because if you don't win, I still win.
Nah.
Yeah, we don't really care. Oh, I'm so good at this game.
Clearly.
I forgot it was.
Hmm.
Come on. Go.
Yeah, go, man. Jump.
Yeah.
Come on, just
go.
jump, man.
Yeah. Come on. Oh
Ooh,
fuck!
okay.
They had my idea.
Oh, you look, you messed yourself up, dude. That's your own trap.
No, 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 no!
Okay.
Just jump
Think.
off, honestly.
You got this. You got this. You got this. That's the exact thing I tried.
Like-
hold B, hold B, hold B. You're not gonna make it.
Dude, give up, bro. Give
Hold
up.
B. Come on.
No.
Hold B.
Kill yourself.
You
No.
need to kill yourself now.
I got this. I know I got this.
Kill yourself now.
Suicide.
No. I got this.
Dude, look how tempting the ground is below you. What?
What?
No. I can't.
How did you
Martin.
die? Oh, you held B.
Hold B.
I was gonna say
Oh.
what?
Look, I was trying to post-mortem.
And in case you get past this. Actually, wait.
There's more evil. Don't worry.
I feel like this could be more interesting. Alright, hopefully I survive longer than 10 seconds. My gosh.
You little rascal. Here.
Please.
Save yourself. Come on. Get in. Get in.
No, I shouldn't have
Just-
put that can in there.
just-
Okay.
There we go. There we go.
Oh my god, we're good. We're clear. Can I sprint in this game? Yeah, you can. Oh my god. Yes.
Fuck.
No point.
Come back points. Oh, there's no points. Yeah, I forgot.
Yeah.
Still fine.
You're not the monkey. Stop being the monkey. Oh fuck.
I don't even know at this point, bro. Whatever. It'll just bring you back down.
Sure love me some flowers.
Oh.
Oh shit.
Fuck. Ah no.
That cannon is deadly, bro.
Ah. Patience is key.
On my screen, that fucking clocked you.
Any idea?
No idea. Ooh, what? On my screen, you like survived it.
Yeah. On my screen, you were just
we might
sitting
be-
there and then died.
We might be cooked.
This is your fault.
Hold on.
It is, yeah, but
No, we're not. Look.
Oh,
Okay.
oh. No, 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 no,
I
no, no,
know.
no. Phil, kill yourself. Kill
I
yourself,
know.
please. Kill yourself.
I
Kill
know.
yourself. Kill
I
yourself.
know.
Kill yourself.
I know the path. Yes. No. Stupid monk.
bro, what are you talking about?
Just kill
Fuck am I
yourself.
missing?
Kill yourself. Kill yourself. Kill yourself. Kill yourself. Kill yourself.
There's no time
Give
limit,
up.
right?
I don't know.
No, there's no time limit.
Yes.
I give up.
Good.
I know the
Okay,
path.
what was the method?
You won't know.
You see that
Okay.
swinging thing?
Yeah.
Path is nearby. And I'm gonna block it. Should be around this area, yeah. Gonna block off this.
Hmm. Fuck, I gotta go grab something after this match. Hmm.
I got my food right here.
I'm sorry, what?
I got food.
Oh. I thought you said you got your foot right here, and I was like, what the fuck are you talking about?
My foot in the game.
Oh shit, well never mind. That wasn't the path.
Fuck.
Almost killed me.
Wait, postmortem! No, it was so close!
Oh.
Oh! No! Oh! Fuck it.
Maybe you can get postmortem.
Nah, hold on. I'm gonna do something crazy. I'm gonna try. I'll probably die trying, but whatever.
Please die trying. That would be ideal. We would
Yeah,
all
I see
love
it.
that.
I see the method. I see the method.
No!
Yes!
No!
Oh my
No!
god.
I clutched it!
Fuck.
Okay, this is dark.
After the first run, this map gets easier.
Oh, we can definitely make this.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Hey, look at this going. Funny, right?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, what the hell's this green path now?
That's the area we walked.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
We first. Yeah, after every round, this thing changes.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Mm.
Hmm. Shit.
Come on. Just block off the fucking finish line.
Wait, what?
Flipped.
Why'd that thing not work?
Because I broke it.
Mine.
Fine. I guess it's yours.
Oh, this path is kind of generous. now.
You fucked it up.
Oh, there's no way. I just fucking died.
No, no, no!
What? Oh no! I didn't see
It
that.
happened to you!
Oh, this
I
is
It
big,
happened to
actually.
you!
I didn't see
This is
it. Fuck.
Oh, hell yeah.
God damn it.
Solo. You trip. Oh. Fuck yeah.
Oh
gosh.
shit. Whoa.
Oh my god.
You just
No,
died, didn't you?
I got you with that. Bye.
Not by. I'm with you to the end.
He's with you in the dark.
Is that a reference?
I'm with you in
Is there a light?
the
Is there a
dark.
light inside your soul?
Love me some flowers! Jesus! We're gonna meet past this.
Yeah, no, yeah. Make it to the finish line, guys.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
We'll do, we'll do.
I'll try my best. What? Fuck.
No!
All right, now it's my time to shine.
Yeah, it's up to you, Phil. Come on. Fantastic job.
No way. I almost had it. I was almost at the end.
Yeah.
You shine more than Apollo.
All right. This is too helpful, I feel like. No, I fucking
good job.
Hey, that was my
Come
try.
on, come here. Come here.
Oh my god, bro.
I still died anyways.
Build a good path for us next round.
Nah.
It's gonna
I'll
go down.
block off this entire area.
Awesome.
I gotta be careful. There you go. I just blocked off the entire area.
No, you didn't.
Oh, I almost did. Oh. I gotta make this impossible.
No.
Great idea.
Oh my god.
Ah,
You ruined it.
yeah.
Oh, what?
You ruined it.
They still went through. Shit.
Yep.
Okay, if I go.
Oh, now they're not going through. So I just had the worst RNG of all time.
No!
No winners. Oh.
No winners.
No winner for you.
It's not really much I want to blow up. Maybe like this whole thing.
You can't.
I'll just get half of it.
How are we gonna get past this?
We literally cannot. Oh my god. I didn't even see that.
Fuck.
Oh.
That sucks.
You don't know how to do that.
So you've solidified our loss, basically.
Yeah. Hmm.
Why?
Bro.
Yeah.
It's
I
over.
get past it.
Just hold B, bro. Hold B. Die with some dignity.
Yeah, you're gonna get past it. Yeah.
Come on, just kill yourself.
How do you emote?
I'm using
D-pad.
controller. I don't know.
D-pad.
Mhm.
All right.
You fucking jackass. What is wrong with you?
All right, now we can just chill. Look at this fucking smear frame. So how do you fucking?
Oh, sorry,
How do you
it's
emote?
trigger.
How about this one?
I reached the emote limit.
Damn.
Bro, what are these lyrics?
I don't know.
I think most importantly, we should blow up the stuff over here, the stuff that
Yeah,
we'll
of
never
course.
reach.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, just naturally, you know. I feel like it's necessary.
Yeah.
Oh
Me.
boy. Oh,
No.
you can't be fucking serious.
Oh shit.
Yeah, didn't notice that, did you?
Yeah, whatever. I win.
Yeah. You
Come
fucking
Why is there
on.
corn down
bastard.
there?
Put it down there like at the start of the map.
No, he put that down there like first round.
Yeah.